Sites actually matter about it, so.
Oh, not sure.
Just sit to there, how about that?
Okay.
Hot.
I like it.
Hot
like
and
it.
fast. That boat's gonna suck. It's gonna matter.
Battle Royale. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster. Enemy soldier incoming.
That's one. Oh, he got me.
Oh
Nice.
shit. Got it.
Where's the other one you got?
I will not forget this.
Two on the other side.
Behind you, behind you!
Wow. This one, you should fight. 阿租你吃來幫佢。This one chopping. This one chopping.
I lag! He turned it on!
I'm lag too.
Oh yeah, someone turned it on.
Where is he?
There's another one. There's a fresh one right now on the boat.
Oh shit.
He's cracked.
He's in the water.
Down one.
In the middle in the water.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Hey, down there.
He's loading.
Oh, one more. Holy shit.
Moving here.
Power.
Oh shit, he got me.
Cracked, he's cracked. Down him.
Oh my god, still not team wipe? You serious?
Yep. There are still people.
This hurricane got so many kills already. Oh, another self-did. Someone's dropping in.
Someone's jumping in. Oh shit.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
sorry.
cracked again.
I thought you were the...
Are they still coming back?
Oh! Some explosion got me. He's on me.
Crack him.
Okay, I got tapped.
佢有人望緊我哋另外一邊。
Are there any more? Someone chopped the cluster.
Two of them.
Yep.
Careful the
You wish
water.
it when I got
Right
there.
here,
dude.
right. Yes!
I am in your debt.
One more.
In the water.
Oh, he's hitting
in
me.
the-
He's on me.
Damn it.
Damn it. It's non-stop.
Oh, he's cracked.
Get in there, Joe.
Go. Oh, 三個上晒，三個喺晒度。
And all die.
Is it a wipe? Is it a
Nah,
wipe?
yup,
Yes.
finally.
About time. Did they even do the other boat?
Probably not. He just kept coming back here.
Oh, they did it.
Resurgence box are popping back up.
He just didn't go this far.
Oh, there's only 2 resurgence spots. Oh, we're gonna have to go. Are we still going towards the buy? Or we try the...
Yeah, we should. No, but we have enough.
Okay, let's go.
I'm probably just gonna fly there.
Our counter UAV is active.
I don't see people. We're gonna need Joe's money. Yo, Joe. We don't have much time.
Go. We're fine. I need plates.
I'm just gonna drop my money.
Ooh, plates.
I'm out of tokens. Oh, I'm out of tokens. Is there a box I can buy?
I hear a box. Oh, I found it.
Armor box. Got one.
I got one. I'm popping one right now.
Okay.
Over here.
There are 24 enemies active. Kill them all.
Okay. Some smokes. Ooh. Alright, we're all good.
Damn. Looks like coastline circle. I should have gotten my sniper instead of my snake shots.
Hostiles dropping into
Someone's dropping into
Someone's
you.
dropping in.
Head to the safe zone now.
He's under you.
Right there?
Two.
Crack one.
Cell counter UAV overhead.
There's still one under you, Joe. Don't push over there until you take care of the guy under you.
Planting mine.
Oh, getting shot. Oh, random places. I got back off.
One's in your gas station still. No hit.
Enemies deployed a counter UAV.
Another one dropping in.
Down them.
Down them.
Two over there.
Yep, one came out, two came out.
The enemy locked us out of their network. You missed your chance.
Car blocking my way.
And they said we
Oh, we might have to go back, actually.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
We might have to take that castle.
Requesting recon flyover.
Copy that. UAV online and orbiting the AO.
They're watching this side. Be careful.
Who? Who's watching this side?
From the 喺嗰邊嗰個方向望住我哋啱啱。1號仔喺邊？
We're gonna have to get ready to fight.
Crack one inside. Two inside. Two inside. Down one.
Cracked. Killed one.
About to end. Make it count. Enemy UAV active.
We
stun?
might. Yeah, I did. Okay.
I'm just tossing shit inside.
Okay.
Gas is closing in.
I'm getting.
You guys
looked at
staying on the
right.
outside over there, or are you guys pushing over, or what we're doing?
Are we going to the buy direction?
No, I'm not pushing it by, but I was gonna just take this building.
Some of your
Okay.
team is still
Okay.
outside.
Because someone was
I
here.
killed one over here already.
Hostile UAV in the
Okay.
area. Enemy UAV overhead. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
Can we? Yeah, we hold this building for now. Okay.
Planting mine.
Okay. Someone was in here.
Hostile advanced UAV is active.
Oh, agreed.
Oh,
What?
bought one back.
Crack them.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh,
Enemy squad is charging your position.
Fuck, I'm
Crack the other
reloading.
one.
Bring back your squad mates faster.
Aha.
Team wipe. Appreciate it.
Resurgence is closed. No more seconds.
You guys got a loadout already, right?
Yeah.
I don't.
Supply crates are restocked. Advise you load up now.
Loadout there.
Oh, armor box. I've got an armor box.
This is gonna be so shitty. There's only 9 enemies though. A UAV would be awesome. Can you guys buy a UAV or no?
I
It's
have
not
not.
in stock. Oh,
Okay, so we need to take up there. Squad by the ammo plot.
Gas is moving.
Setting mine.
Enemy UAV overhead. Be advised. Part of your team is
High
outside the
threat
zone.
on your
Enemy
end.
UAV active.
He's hurt.
yeah, I don't have sight on your guy.
No worries.
Hill on the right.
Down to 10. Good win this.
I'm just gonna hold down our left side.
Okay, I'm watching right. I down one there.
Shit, this one's close.
Moving.
This one's pretty close.
Okay.
Fuck, he's pushing me.
我租你可能幫我。
得。
Oh, he's cracked. Oh, that's it.
They were
He's in the right
to
side.
the right side.
Only 5
They have to come to us.
Yeah, they're not.
He was by that red crate on the left before Joe.
Out of the round.
That truck. That red truck on the left. Careful. That's where he came out of.
Safe zone.
Custom weapon here.
He can't go there.
Position mine.
Solid copy. Report to enemy lost
2 on 1.
You're safe.
Cluster mine deployed.
That's yours? Okay.
I hit him, I think. Oh, on the right side.
Far right. Left.
I think
Left.
that's
Joe, left. He was there. Yeah, he was there before. He's crossing over to the right now, probably.
Impact. Drop some dirt on it. You will live. Advise you start moving.
Behind.
He circled all the way
Life?
around.
Nice.
Yeah, he was on your screen before, Joe. You completely missed him. When you were looking at Eric. But he ran all the way around. What the fuck?
He went the marathon way.
Yeah, like beyond that, he didn't even take the first gate. He went to the second one.
Oh, is this game the boat one?
Hmm. Wait, what do you mean the old one?
Is this game the one where we kept fighting at the boat?
I think so.
Oh, this one's worth recording just for that.
係咪要等到最後啊？
Just in case, it's short anyway, Resurgence.